We are heading to the most iconic and perhaps the most luxurious hotel in Qatar, Raffles Doha, located in one of the towers of the famous Qatara Towers, the symbol of Doha. Welcome to Raffles Doha. This is the most luxurious lobby at the hotels I ever seen. Here there are 974 mirrored panels representing Qatar's national code 974. Different videos and photos can be displayed on them. Right now it's a sky with clouds, and after sunset it transforms into starry night sky. Subscribe to the channel for more hotel reviews from Qatar and beyond. There is a secret room in a cigar lounge at Raffles Doha. Wow, something interesting if you need your privacy. The secret exit. Raffles Doha is the 6-star hotel and the minimum room category starts with a suite. Now we are going to explore the urban suite, which consists of living room and a bedroom. There is a machine which makes aroma, like aroma diffuser, but very automatic. Wow, nice library. Each suite has a dedicated butler. Have you ever seen such a minibar? Looks like a real bar. The mirrors, coffee machine, everything so stylish. Find the best deals for this hotel through the links in the description below this video. The iconic Raffles Writers' Desk is present in all Raffles hotels as a tribute to the writers who stayed at the very first Raffles Singapore hotel. Such an amazing bathroom and such an amazing like a glass this bath thing. The amenities include Frederick Mail toiletries. Such a beautiful shower, also smart water closet. The rooms are also equipped with a Dyson hairdryer and even hair straightener. There is a very spacious and stylish walk-in dressing room with luxurious leather finishes.